In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can change from Samsung Free to Google Discovery. Begin by pinching your device's display. Now select Settings at the bottom right corner. Scroll down a tiny bit and tap on Add Media Page to Home Screen. Now click on Google Discovery. And when you finished, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!